Student living made stylish and convenient at Social 28 Gainesville, your one-stop destination for modern and luxury living. With 2, 3, and 4-bedroom apartments available, you unlock a fully furnished private room, hardwood-style flooring, and in-unit washer and dryer. The well-equipped kitchen is every chef's dream, with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances. Sweat it out at the fitness center and enter Zen mode at the private yoga room. Lounge by the rooftop pool or enjoy endless movie nights and barbecues guaranteed with the grill and outdoor TV. Don't worry about your wheels as there's free parking available. Also, unlock zero stress with electricity and water bills included in the rent. With the University of Florida and Hoff Graduate School of Business only a stroll away, you can enjoy a relaxed morning routine. Getting around is simple with the Social 28 Apartments bus stop and the southbound SW 10th Street bus stop located nearby. So, don't wait. Head to amberstudent.com and secure your spot at Social 28 in Gainesville now.